What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick comparison of Huawei Watch GT2 and Huawei Watch GT smartwatches. We will talk about what are the differences between these two smartwatches of Huawei. So let's start it. So the very first difference is in terms of design. The front and dial of Huawei Watch GT2 is made of metal. So there is a screen, and all around the screen you will see the metal, and the screen is slightly below the metal surface. So when you swipe on the screen, your fingers touch this metal because it's above the screen. While Huawei Watch GT2 comes with full glass dial on the front side. So there is no metal around the display and on the front side. So this is all glass and it is curved. So when you touch the screen of the Huawei Watch GT2, you will not feel any metal even when you are swiping all over it. So this is the major difference in terms of design between Huawei Watch GT2 and GT. And since Huawei Watch GT got more metal compared to Huawei Watch GT2, it weighs slightly more than Huawei Watch GT2 as well. Rest everything is same on both smartwatches. There is no difference in terms of design or the material used. Another major difference between these two smartwatches is in terms of exercises. Compared to Huawei Watch GT, Huawei Watch GT2 comes with few additional exercises that you will not find on Huawei Watch GT. So if you want to buy a smartwatch mostly because of its fitness related features, then Huawei Watch GT2 is a better option. So this is the difference number 2. Another major difference between Huawei Watch GT2 and Huawei Watch GT is that Huawei Watch GT2 comes with an inbuilt music player and also a speaker. There is 2 GB internal storage provided on Huawei Watch GT2, using which you can listen music on your smartwatch using either its speaker or connecting the smartwatch with your earphones. Huawei Watch GT2 also allows you to control the music being played on your smartphone. So this is the difference number 3 between Huawei Watch GT and Huawei Watch GT2 is the inclusion of a music player on Huawei Watch GT2. The difference number 4 is the possibility of making voice calls from your Huawei Watch GT2. This feature is not available on Huawei Watch GT. Huawei Watch GT2 features a microphone and, as we have seen, a speaker as well. So you can directly make voice calls using your smartwatch when it's connected to your smartphone using Bluetooth. So difference number 4 is the possibility of making voice calls from Huawei Watch GT2 that is not available on Huawei Watch GT. Another difference between Huawei Watch GT2 and Huawei Watch GT is in terms of battery life. Huawei Watch GT2 comes with 455 mAh battery and Huawei Watch GT comes with 420 mAh battery. Also, Huawei Watch GT2 is powered by Kirin A1 processor, that is very power efficient chipset compared to what we got on Huawei Watch GT. Huawei Watch GT also performs brilliantly when it comes to battery life, but on Huawei Watch GT2 you will get even better performance. And another difference between these two smartwatches is in terms of Bluetooth version. Huawei Watch GT2 comes with Bluetooth 5.1 while Huawei Watch GT comes with Bluetooth 4.2. So in terms of connectivity and stability, performance of Huawei Watch GT2 is going to be better compared to Huawei Watch GT. So these are the major differences between Huawei Watch GT2 and Huawei Watch GT smartwatches. If you found this video helpful to you, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.